Welcome to today's special episode of PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul GSB English Medium School.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul.
Beyond textbooks and exams, how does the school prepare students for life and academics?
We deal with creativity, collaborations, communications, and critical thinking, which is in our education system.
If you had one message to share with students, teachers, and parents, so what would it be?
For students, my message is that
It's often a challenge to maintain balance between extracurricular activities and academics. So then how does the school manage this?
Balance is the key to success for the child's growth.
Is the long-term vision of school?
our vision to make the PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul GSB English Medium a place where every student gets best education, exposure, and the most important, the moral values.
Welcome to today's special episode. We have with us our inspiring teachers Neha ma'am and Sapna ma'am of PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul GSB English Medium School. Under their cooperation, the school has flourished in academics, innovation, and holistic development. Thank you for being here with us today.
Thank you, Shriya, for having us. It's a great pleasure to talk about our school.
Ensuring student safety and well-being is a top priority for every school. So what measures does our school ensure it?
Student safety is non-negotiable because learning happens best when there is safe environment. So for that, in our campus and in the bus transport facilities that is monitored by HD CCTV cameras, strict visitors check, and well-trained bus drivers who will make ensure that the safety is measured for traveling. With that, emotional well-being is as important as the safety in the school and transportation. So for that, we are dealing with the counseling, happiness classrooms, and mindfulness activity which will ensure that the student is growing with the confidence.
Ma'am, can you please share what happiness class is?
Of course, Shriya. Happiness class is designed to nurture the emotional well-being, mindfulness, and positive thinking among the students. It includes various activities like meditation, storytelling, gratitude exercise, interesting games. And it also includes a discussion on empathy, resilience, and self-awareness. The main goal of happiness class is to reduce stress, boost confidence, and to create the joyful learning environment. And yes, it also creates the balance and positive mindset for life.
Oh, interesting. So now let's move to another question. Education is a two-way process, but students need motivation, but so do teachers. So ma'am, how do you ensure that both the groups feel inspired and supported?
So education is not just about unlocking the potentials, but it's just about the result also. For that, we encourage the students by motivating them with the award ceremonies, leadership programs, and holistic developments, just as the dance, music, arts, and life skills. With that, for the teachers, we also encourage the teachers by teacher training programs, and it's the key to success.
Beyond textbooks and exams, how does the school prepare students for life and academics?
Yeah, as the world is evolving, we must evolve the education also. So as for the 21st century, education system is also evolved. So in our school, we deal with the creativity, collaborations, communication, and critical thinking, which is in our education system in our school, which is curricular based. So for that, we have textile talks, financial language descriptions, as well as workshops which help students to build themselves in the life skill also, in the school also, and in social society also.
Ma'am, if you had one message to share with students, teachers, and parents, so what would it be?
For students, my message is that your education is not only about scoring good marks, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. So stay curious, keep learning, and never afraid to ask the question. And yes, my message to my lovely and dear students, keep learning, keep growing, and believe in yourself. For teachers, my message is that keep inspiring and innovating our young minds. And for parents, I just want to say that we are partners in your child's growth, and your support, patience, and trust us helps to create the nurturing environment for learning.
it's often a challenge to maintain balance between extracurricular activities and academics. So, ma'am, how does the school manage this?
So, balance is the key to success for the child's growth. So, I must say there must be a balance between the child's education and their other curricular activities. So, for that, in our school, we have dance, music, arts, sports, and many more such activities which help childs to grow academically as well as socially. For that, on Saturdays, we have backless day so that students can enhance the teamwork inspirations also.
So, ma'am, finally, what is the long-term vision of school?
So our vision to make the PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul GSEB English Medium a place where every student gets best education, exposure, and the most important, the moral values. Here we build the caring, confident, and capable student who contributes positively to the society. And once again, I want to say that we are not just educating them, we are empowering them to lead and create better world.
That was truly insightful and inspiring. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.